Hey guys, my name's Fox and today I'm going to be playing Scribblio with my sister again because in the last video you guys made it to 4 likes and I said if we got 3 likes I would make another video on Scribblio about animals. So we hit 4 likes. So this is the next video I'm going to do. So it is on animals. So yeah, I'm playing with my sister and we just started. So all of the guesses would be an animal, obviously. So, wolf. It was a wolf. Easy, easy. Okay, it's my turn. Okay, let's do mouse. All right. Okay. So, I am playing with my sister. Okay, we're gonna do the head. Just don't judge my drawing, guys. I'm really bad at drawing, by the way. So yeah, if you didn't know. That kind of looks like an elephant, but just don't mind the nose. Okay. She was close. She just can't spell much. She can't spell. Let's see if she does it. Whew. Moans. Oh gosh, she can't smell. Oh, that's so sad. Okay, okay. Come on, come on. Hey, let's put some color into it while we have time. Make it look nice. Or you know what? Let's put like, I think she knows, she just can't spell it. Let's just put like a home where it's walking in and then go. That's pretty nice. And make that and do fill and make it brown because why not? Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. Well, that's my picture. A mouse. And nobody gets any point because nobody guessed it. Okay. My sister can't spell. I feel so bad. Okay, let's see what word she chooses. 3-letter word. I know. Is it fox? No, it's not fox. Come on. What is it? What is it? What is it? It has oh, it's a cat. Yes, it's a cat. I knew it. Oh, I just love this game. Okay, so let's do dog, bird, or dingo. I don't think she'll use this bird dingo. She knows how to spell. I'm gonna do bird. Okay, so this one has to be tiny, black, just cause why not? Okay. Okay, what do birds look like? This is gonna be a terrible drawing, by the way. How big of a tail does a bird have? Has wings. This is kind of like a pigeon. My sister thinks it's a fox. It has 4 letters, bro. Oh, she liked it. Thanks. Okay, let's see if she realizes it's a bird from the feet. Okay, don't judge me, guys, in the comments. Do not judge me. I know it looks terrible. Oh, she almost got bird right. Oh no, she almost got bird right. She just spelled it wrong. She said brid. She said brid. Yeah, she got it for the first time. Okay, let's go, boy. Okay, it's her turn now. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I'm just gonna like it because she liked mine, because why not? Okay, so it has 3 letters, so I'm gonna give her a little chance. So it's either dog, which is not dog. It's a cat. It's a cat. I know. I'm just gonna give her a chance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not a cat. Then it must be a wolf. No, it can't be a wolf. It's a fox. Yeah, it was a fox. It was a fox, guys. It was a fox. Okay. Let's do zebra. Okay, so zebras look like horses, I think. Okay, let's do the tail. And then they go like this. And I'm pretty sure they go like, the head looks like this. And then they go like this. Oh, this is ridiculous. Why is this a thing? Why am I playing this game? Okay, so it has stripes, which will make it easier for her to understand that it's a zebra. And I know zebras have... She thinks it's a house. Didn't I tell her that we're doing animals? She thinks it's a house. Jeez. Okay, so let's put the eye, mouth. I don't want to put 2 eyes, it might look weird. Okay, I'll give her a Z. Oh, she knows, she just doesn't know how to spell it. I'm gonna go Z-E-B. I think she knows how to spell R-A. Does she? Let's see. Since she doesn't know how to spell that good, I'm just gonna give her a clue. Because, you know, I'm a good big brother. Yeah, that's right, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and when you subscribe, hit that bell so you never miss another one. And she might not win, because... Oh, she got it! Yes, she got it at the last second! Nice! Nice. So I'm winning right now, because, yeah, I'm the best at everything. You guys know that, alright? Let's give her a like, because why not? Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letter word. Is it horse? No. Donkey? No, I spelled donkey wrong anyways. Huh. Is it what I did? No. Okay, phew. Okay, so it has green. What is this? No. Oh. What is it? Oh, I know. It's a tiger. Yes! Okay, guys, this has turned out pretty easy. I kind of like it. Okay, since we did this, we're going to do giraffe. We'll do one more, and let's hope she knows how to spell it. Okay, so... See, the disadvantage in this game is that you have to have good spelling to get the word correct. But it's still fun. Okay, so it's a body. She liked my picture. Let's see the legs. Why does she always write house? I am so confused. I've pretty much told her that it is animals. Okay, let's go. Giraffe. Giraffe. That might be good enough. She might ask someone. So, wait, giraffes have spots, right? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure they have spots. I'm just gonna do spots because whatever. Okay, yeah, they need eyes as well. Yeah, okay, that's a good giraffe. Let's see if she realizes. Let's spell it for her. 8. Come on, you can do this. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. So close. Okay, guys, I guess that'll be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, please like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos. Can we hit 4 likes since we did 4 likes in the last one? And I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.